Just a few of the branches that have fallen off of our trees. You can see where we lost a branch right there. These are still pretty dangerous. What can you do? So I live north of Austin. This time last year, it was 90 degrees. Obviously not today. We are just hunkered down at home, not really going anywhere, even though we have 2 Jeeps that have 4-wheel drive. So we would probably be okay, but I'd just rather stay home. I don't really know what we're gonna eat today because our power is out. Probably just Girl Scout cookies and Topo Chico. People with big trucks think that they can handle any weather, and sometimes they just can't. Thankfully, we have avoided most pipe freezing with the exception of our master bathroom toilet. If it breaks, it breaks. We'll fix it. At least Porter loves the snow. Who wants to come over and go ice skating? I didn't think it was gonna be that thick of a layer of ice on there, but that is a thick layer of ice. Our pool is really old too, so I hope it survives. Really glad we, oh my God. Get out of the planter. Get out of the planter. Got it on the pool. That's good. We love to see it. Your regularly scheduled fast food content will probably be back next week. I don't know when this video will be released because I don't have power to edit the video on my computer. So stay warm, go eat some fast food for me, and I'll catch you next week.